Welcome to the class, my dear students. In today's lecture, I am going to do the third problem to find the interval of convergency for the values of x. X belongs to which interval when the series is convergent. So, for what values of x the series is convergent. Now, what we do first is we just expand the series. That means your n starts from 0 to infinity. So, we keep on the values of n as 0 and then 1 and then 2 and so on. So when I put n is 0, the value becomes 1, correct? As anything to the power of 0 is 1. Now when I put 1 in the place of n, it will be x minus 1, the whole power 2 into 1 is 2 by 4 to the power of 1. Then plus x minus 1, the whole power 2 into 2 is 4 by 4 square. And then x minus 1, the whole power 2 into 3, 6 by 4 cube and so on. Now here, what is the first term of the series? The first term of the series is 1. And what is the second term of the series? The second term of the series is x minus 1 the whole square over 4. And this is the geometric series where the common ratio is given by the second term over the first term. That is what the common ratio. So what is the second term here? X minus 1 the whole square over 4 over 1, and therefore it is x minus 1 the whole square over 4. Now what we know about the series is convergent. If the series is already given that it is convergent, your job is to find out for what values of x the series is convergent if mod r, the common ratio mod r, is less than 1. So what we have got mod r as x minus 1 the whole square over 4 modulus value should be less than 1. So when I write this, it is x minus 1 the whole square, anyhow positive only, and is less than 4. Now when we write this, x minus 1 the whole square is less than 4 means x minus 1 is less than plus or minus square root of 4. That means plus or minus 2. So now when x minus 1 is less than that is x minus 1 is less than or equal, less than plus or minus 2 means it is implying that minus 2 is less than x minus 1. You can say that mod x minus 1, you can say, because we are considering mod of x minus 1 the whole square is less than plus 2. Now for this inequality, we add plus 1 because there is x minus 1, correct? So when you add plus 1 to the whole inequality, we get this as less than 2 plus 1. So it is minus 1 less than x less than 3. Therefore, for what values of x the series is convergent? When x belongs to minus 1 comma 3, then the series is convergent. So for what values of x the series is convergent means it is convergent when x lies between minus 1 to 3. I hope you could understand it well. Thank you.